Well, good morning, everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here. And today I wanted to talk about the Jeep tonneau cover. You know, at first I was hesitant to put one of these on because I thought I wanted to have full access to the bed, right? But then we took a long distance trip and I thought, I want to be able to throw the luggage and all that stuff in the back, be able to secure it. So I went ahead and got this tonneau cover. Now, what is it? It's the Tyger Tonneau cover, and I gotta say, for the money, you can't beat it. I'll leave a link down below. You can check out current pricing and availability if you're interested in this. But what it is vinyl, so it's not one of those kind of covers that you can get up there and do any tailgating on, or maybe a jig or anything. You can't walk on it, but I never walk on my tonneau cover anyway, so not a big deal for me. As far as fitment goes, let's take a quick look. It fits pretty good. I won't say that it fits perfectly. The edges probably should be more flush, I think, but there is foam or weather seal in between to keep the water out, which it does very well. I've driven this through lots of rain and never had any leakage inside. Back here at the back, again, you can see it kind of sticks up a little bit here and maybe a little bit here, even less, I guess. And then, of course, in the front, about the same as the other side. So not a big deal. Does have these little clasps on top so that when you roll it up, it is a trifold. It has little clips or straps inside where you can actually fold it up and secure it up here. Now, in the inside, obviously, it just bolts on. In my case, it screws into the track system. You guys can see there, I do have the track system, so in mine, it just screws right into that. You don't have to do anything else. You can get, or it does come with, I should say, hardware so that you can fasten it to the side of the bed if you don't have the track system. Now, as far as putting it up and down, you have the handles there. You just pull forward in towards the interior of the bed, and then it just folds over. Pretty darn simple to do. Now, the other thing I like about this is that it is just bolt-on. There's no screwing or no drilling, anything like that with it. Pretty simple to do. It can be done with just one person. I did it myself. Probably took me about half an hour because of filming. Probably about a 15-minute job, to be honest, if you do it yourself. Does always help to have that extra hand, though. It does also come with some weather stripping that goes around the edge here to keep water out. As you can see, I did not use that, and I didn't use it because I didn't think it was necessary, and so far for me it hasn't been. But if you're really concerned about that, it does come with weather stripping that you can put around the edge of your bed. As far as the fitment goes, we'll shut the back here. You can see it doesn't jam in there. It fits nice and snug without really impacting the top, so it's not going to wear away its own seal, which I really like. And then lastly, appearance of it. The vinyl does get dirty, as would anything that goes on the top, so it will have a gray looking finish to it. Right now it's wet from sitting outside overnight, so it will be more like this as far as what it looks like when it dries out. You can put some cleaners and stuff on it, but again, you're going to have that with any tonneau cover that you put on. I've left it dirty, intentionally didn't clean it up because I want you guys to see what it really looks like. If you have a tonneau, it's going to have moisture on it in the mornings, obviously, if you sit outside. And then, of course, it's going to get little particles of stuff or bird droppings or whatever. So just a fact of having a tonneau cover, I suppose. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. This is probably the cheapest one out there that I could find, and it is well worth the money. You can't beat it. No water leakage, seals really well, and it's a quality product, especially for the money. One thing I do want to mention, people talk about improved gas mileage if you cover up the bed. Not true. That is a myth. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. Again, there will be a link down below if you're interested in checking out pricing and availability. it'll be there for you to take a look at. Also, real quick, if you're interested, I have 2 other channels. One is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma up there. The second is Rob Motive Civic, and that is all about my experience with the Honda Civic hatchback and the Honda Civic Type R. Check those out if you would. Real quick, don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, click that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.